In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to Word using ABBYY FineReader. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up your ABBYY FineReader PDF. And of course, if you have any PDFs open, make sure you first close them down. And then over here on the main page where it says Open, you want to go to the bottom where it says Convert To, and then click on Microsoft Word. Now, when you do this, you're going to have to select your PDF. So I'm going to select this one over here, and I'm going to click on the Open. And there we go. It's basically going to open up, and you can select if you want to keep formatting. So we have a bunch of different options over here. I'm just going to leave this as editable copy, and you have the OCR languages as well, for which I'm going to keep it as English right now. And you could also keep pictures and keep headers, footers, and page numbers as well. And whenever you're ready, you can just click on Convert to Word. Now, mind you, if you want to convert multiple files at once, that's also possible. Click on Add File up here, and you can add them in, and of course do multiple at once. Then click on Convert to Word, and then you'll be able to save it right away. So I'm going to save it into my Downloads folder over here, and I'm going to click on Save, and it's going to start processing. Now, usually this takes a few seconds. It could take a few minutes if you have a very large document with a lot of pages and a lot of content like images, stuff like that. But for me, as you can see, it took a few seconds, and it's going to open up the Word now. And there we go. This is basically my converted PDF. Now, sometimes it may require some resizing or stuff like that, but that's pretty much how you actually convert it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.